Whose love do you think is more passionate and intense? In Romeo and Juliet. Explain. Whose love do you think is more passionate? Is more passionate and intense. Intense in Romeo and Juliet. Romeo and Juliet. Explain. Whose love do you think is more passionate? This is 6 mark question. This is 6 mark question, students. Most important question. Same question will be there in your upcoming exam. Okay? In your final examination also, this question will be there. ಇದೇ question ಇರುತ್ತೆ. No doubt in that. Same question will be there. Same question, 6 mark question. Whose love do you think is more passionate and intense in Romeo and Juliet? Explain it. Okay? Is it clear, students? Did you understand the question? Did you understand the question? Respond to me. Did you understand the question? All of you. If you have any confusions, you can ask me. You can send the question in the chat box. Any doubts? Any questions? Any doubts? No. Okay. Second question from Romeo and Juliet. How did Romeo and Juliet express their romantic love feelings to each other? In the poem Romeo and Juliet. Same question repeated. Same question repeated. Means second question also same question, but they asked in a different manner. Barkodi, these are all important questions from the final examination question papers. I collected these questions from the final examination question paper. ನೀವು ಮತ್ತೆ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನಾನೇ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Okay, these are all very important question papers, questions from the every lesson. Okay, second question, how did Romeo and Juliet express their romantic love feelings? Express their romantic love feelings to each other in the poem Romeo and Juliet. How did Romeo and Juliet express their romantic love feelings to each other in the poem Romeo and Juliet? Okay, same question repeated. How the first question, whose love do you think is more passionate and intense? Intense is more passionate and intense means you have to explain everything. 6-mark question. Second one also 6-mark question. Most of the time they're going to ask a question from this poem for 6 mark. Okay, almost ನಿಮಗೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳೋದು ಈ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಈ ಪೋಯಮ್ ಇಂದ ನಿಮಗೆ 6 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Third question, Romeo claims to have never seen true beauty. 4-mark question this is. 4-mark question. Romeo to have never seen true beauty. Romeo claims to have never seen true beauty till he saw Juliet. Till he saw Juliet. How does he justify? How does he justify? How does he justify his statement? How does he justify his statement? Romeo claims to have never seen true beauty till he saw Juliet. How does he justify his statement? 4-mark question this is. Okay, students? He claims to, 4-mark question. This is Romeo's explanation. Romeo's explanation. How he compared. He used figure of speeches, personifications, simile. He used personification and simile, metaphor. He used in his explanation. How he used figure of speeches. You have to write. And here there is a comparisons. There is a comparisons. She's going to compare. He's going to compare her beauty to the richest jewel, which is in Ethiop's ear. Richest jewel, which is in Ethiop's ear. Ethiopian lady. Who is an Ethiopian lady? Black lady. Okay? Now here there is a jewel. That jewel brightness is compared to Juliet's beauty. Is it clear? Students, and she's brighter than torch. She's brighter than torch to burn bright. Torch to burn bright. And very rarest rare beauty on the earth. That beauty too rich for use. That jewel. And rarest rare beauty on the earth. It's too dear. Too dear means rare beauty on this earth. Very rare. Very valuable beauty on this earth. Okay? Rarest rare beauty on this earth. Students? And he questioned himself. He wants to touch her hand to make his blessed, rude hand. And he questioned himself. Did my heart love till now? He questioned himself. Did my heart love till now? And later he justified. I've never seen true beauty till this night. This is only true beauty. You understood? Okay, where her beauty? Where he saw Juliet? Friends, where he saw Juliet? Romeo seen Juliet. Where? Where he saw Juliet? ಅವನು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಜೂಲಿಯಟ್ ನ ನೋಡ್ತಾನೆ? ರೆಡ್ಡಿ, ಹಿಮರಶ್ಮಿ, ಪವಿತ್ರ, ಕೀರ್ತನ, ಜ್ಞಾನೇಂದ್ರ, ಪವನ್, ತನುಶ್ರೀ, Jeevan, where he saw Juliet. Romeo saw Juliet. Where he saw Juliet? Where? In party. In party. In party where? Party nalli elli nodtane? Where she was? While she was dancing on the dance floor. Jagandeep, very good. She was dancing on the dance floor. On the dance floor. Dance floor mele nodtane. He attended party. Okay. Who hosted that party? Who hosted that party? That is grand supper party. Grand supper party. Who hosted that? Who arranged that party? Who hosted that party? A party na host ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾರು? Arrange ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ಯಾರು ಆ ಪಾರ್ಟಿನ? Who is the father of Juliet? Who is the father of Juliet? Capulet. Very good. Very good. Akhil Reddy. What about others? You don't know. What about girls? Girls, you don't know. Boys are very fast here to giving answer. What about? Huh? Okay, Manushree. Okay, Pavitra. Then that's it. Okay. Listen here. Romeo claims to have never seen true beauty till he saw Juliet. How does he justify? How does he justify his statement? Next question, fourth question. How is the intensity of love from the poem Romeo and Juliet? How is the intensity of love? Barkoli? How is the intensity of love between Romeo and Juliet? Between Romeo and Juliet brought out in the poem. Same question repeated here. Brought out in the poem. In the poem, Romeo and Juliet. Okay, same question. First question, second question, and fourth question. Three questions are same. Okay, three questions are same. Again, one more question. That is Juliet's explanation. Juliet's explanation. How she's going to call in the day at the time of night. Okay, that is also one more important question from the poem. Okay, Romeo's explanation, Juliet's explanation. That's it. Romeo explanation, 4-mark question. Juliet explanation. ಇದನ್ನು ಕಂಬೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 6-mark question. That's it. That is the poem. Very easy to understand because it's a love concept poem. Okay, and okay, these are all very important questions. And one more chapter is there, that is 2 dear. ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ನಿಮಗೆ? 2 dear. I didn't explain the questions. I didn't tell the questions from the poem, from the lesson. 2 dear. ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. The questions, important questions from the lesson 2 dear. Student, is it understood? Questions are understood? Questions are understood, students? Did you understand the questions? Okay, very simple, very easy to answer. Okay? And questions from lesson 2 dear. First question, why did the criminal refuse to ನಾನು ಯಾಕೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Why? Because it is very 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 important question, the most important question from this lesson. Why did the criminal refuse to escape from the prison? escape from the prison in 2dia. What is the meaning of 2dia? What is the meaning of 2dia? Students, Gagandeep, Manushree, Akhil Reddy, Shiva, Manendra, Darshan Gowda. What is the meaning of 2dia? Expensive. 2 means more. More adjective here using. Very good, very good. I love you. It's a 2dia means too much of here expensive. Very good, all of you. Okay. Why did the criminal refuse to escape from the prison? Why? What is the reason? Because they failed to give a punishment to the prisoner, and later, at last end of the situation, he refused to escape from the prison because they have ruined his character badly. They have ruined his character. Okay? They created him a bad way, and people will turn their back. They will throw the stone on him. They will not behave with him properly. Who will give the job? Who will treat him in a good way? No one will treat him. That's why that he is not ready to escape from the prison. In first time, they given him that what is that? Head cut off punishment, but they didn't give him punishment, first punishment. That later they altered the punishment, head cut off to imprisonment for life. There also they failed to give a punishment. Then later here, end of situation, they're going to tell him to escape from the prison. That's why he's not ready to escape from the prison, because they have ruined his character. Okay, next question. Same question. They asked in a different manner. Same question. Okay, what were the arguments? What were the arguments put forth by the prisoner? Put forth by the prisoner for not running away from the prison. For not running away. Not running away from the prison. Same question. Okay, what? Okay. Next question. Describe. Did you receive the question, students? Is it understood?